Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It is free 99. It costs you nothing to hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to talk to me in the comments. So today's video, I'll be talking about how I am actually back in consumer debt. You guys know that, right to it. You guys know that I use my credit cards, but you see me tracking and you see me pay them off before the statement dates, by the end of the month. There's never any interest free, knock on wood. And I use my other credit card to pay my bills. So that's already budgeted in. So I'm not in consumer debt, although I use credit cards. However, we're in consumer debt again, but this should not come to a surprise or shock to you because I warned y'all, literally warned y'all. When we talked about it, I had not made any decisions, and then I made a decision, okay? I told you all I wanted an iPad, and I bought one. And I got an Apple card because I can have 12 months interest-free to pay it off. I got an iPad Air 11-inch M2 chip with 256 gigs of RAM, and then I also purchased the Apple Pro pencil, the newest one as well. But let me explain really quickly why I went and did it now, because you guys gave great advice. Make sure you have a plan for the money, Tara. Make sure you know this is in your budget, Tara. Maybe you wait till Black Friday, Tara. You know, y'all had really great suggestions, and I listened. Now, there happened to be a back to school special for, like, if you knew people like my niece is in college, she's just about to start college. I had other friends whose kids just started college, or if you're buying an iPad for them, then you can get a discount. Since I'm always learning and I plan on learning on my iPad, I counted me in on this, okay? So there was a discount where it was like 20% off the iPad. So let's say the iPad was normally $599. I ended up paying $545 for it. And then, of course, tax was like $48. The tax is not a part of the plan. I'll have to pay that right away. And then there was a $100 gift card that came after the item shipped. So when the item shipped, they didn't send me a $100 gift card. So basically, the iPencil, the Apple Pencil Pro, which was $129, let's call it $140 after tax, was that minus $100. So I ended up paying only $40 for that. And to be honest, I did my research, you guys. They do not do Black Friday deals on Apple. They do the same thing they did for the education deals per se. I don't know if it's the same exact thing, but all they do is gift cards. Apple doesn't do like discounts on their products. The Apple will give you a discount in a gift form of a gift card, if that makes sense. So I got basically the same deal. I don't know if it's going to be any better on Black Friday, but this opportunity presented itself to me because someone else told me about it while I was talking to them about it. So that is how I'm back in debt. You guys know that so my plan to pay it off, y'all, is $40 I use for fun, because I haven't seen all the numbers. The last I looked, it was like $55 per month for the Apple device, and then like $4 per month for the pencil, I think. Or not really anything per month, because I didn't put that on installment, so I'm just gonna pay the $40. So really just 50 something dollars. So my thought process is that the $40 that I give myself for fun will just this is going to have to be my fund for now. That will go into making the payment, as well as I'm about 2 months ahead because I'm using that $600 circle challenge that I told you guys about to pay it off faster, because I don't want to be paying for it for 12 months. So I'm going to be using that money to like get ahead, as well as I'm already about 2 months ahead of it, if not 3, because if it's just a $50 payment per month and I already have $230 saved, I'm well ahead of the game. As well as I'm gonna keep saving that and put that aside, and then if I need to take from like giving a little bit, another $10 from giving, I will have it covered from my cash envelope category. So that is how I did make a plan, y'all. Medora or Monique, I know you. Yeah, I heard you. There is a plan. There are plans set aside to pay this and make sure that I can do that. And that's only going to be for a time, right? I will pay it as soon as possible. I just wanted to come and tell you guys that I am back in consumer debt. I don't plan on staying there for the next 12 months. It is on an interest-free payment. The things that I will pay up front, though, will be the tax on both items and the full payment of the pencil, which I think will run me about $80-$90, and I already have that amount in my savings, so I'm okay with that. And then we'll keep on rolling. Just always trying to be upfront and honest with you guys about where I'm at. So that is how I'm back in consumer debt. Love to hear your comments down below. Let me know what you think of my plan. Keep in mind this is a shorter video, but I will be coming with the unboxing of the iPad probably the next video, because I'm ready to open it. I've been waiting on the pencil to come. The iPad came the day before, the pencil came the next day, and I don't want to roll that into one long video. So this is why I'm back in consumer debt. I will give you the full numbers when I know them. Once I open the iPad and I think I can download the wallet or something, I should be able to see the breakdown of what I owe, and I will then let you guys know how much I owe exactly, maybe in like a short, and we'll keep up on it, and we'll save and pay it off together. I will tell you though, I have no guilt in this purchase. I remember there were times when I could not buy anything for myself without feeling guilty about it, without feeling like, oh my God, why did I spend that money? I don't deserve that. But I worked very hard, okay? And I have a plan to pay it off, and it was on a really good discount. So, I mean, I'm excited. I am nothing but excited. There's no guilt there, and I feel good about it. So I hope you feel good about it with me. You will be on the journey with me. I'll probably I could probably make like a cute little tracker in my iPad to keep track of us paying this down and see how fast we can pay it off without it lasting the whole 12 months, because we're not about that life. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope to hear from you in the comments. If you've made this far in the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of the Grateful Gang. Remember, it is faith over fear this year, and not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever. Bye. Jazz hands. Love you, mean it. Bye.